Moringa tea is derived from the plant Moringa oleifera, which is also known as the drumstick tree, the miracle tree, the ben oil tree, or the horseradish tree. Moringa tea is thought to have a variety of health benefits in addition to its use in disease prevention and treatment. However, according to a study, for some diseases taking moringa tea more often may help manage and treat. 1. Cancer. In both men and women, drinking moringa tea can lower the risk of developing cancer. Research has shown how drinking moringa tea can help men with prostate cancer. Also, human hepatocellular carcinoma cells are shown to undergo apoptosis when treated with moringa oleifera tea, which is thought to be an anti-cancer medication. Moringa tea enhances the effects of chemotherapy in the treatment of cancer. 2. High blood pressure. It is also shown that drinking moringa tea, which is made from dried and crushed moringa leaves, will help regulate blood pressure. Moringa tea contains a chemical compound called quercetin, which is thought to reduce blood pressure. Also, due to its antioxidative properties, it can aid hypertension sufferers in reducing inflammation. 3. Diabetes. Moringa tea includes antioxidant acid, which is also found in coffee and is thought to regulate blood sugar levels, which may benefit those with diabetes. Additionally, it is claimed to be rich in vitamin C, which has been demonstrated to lower blood pressure and sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. 4. High cholesterol. Additionally, moringa oleifera may benefit heart patients by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing their risk of developing heart disease.